Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove PayPal from your Facebook page. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com, if you've not already. So after opening up the website, what you want to do is log into your account. We need to go ahead and log in. So in the upper right corner, you'll have a login button that you can log in with, and you want to log into your account that is connected to your Facebook page that you want to remove it from. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can take a look at our PayPal balance. We have a recent activity, we can send and request money, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started. Basically, there are two ways, guys. Either we can do it directly from our Facebook page or we can do it from the PayPal website. So if you want to remove it from your Facebook page, here are the steps we can follow. As you can see in this article right here is showing us the steps we need to follow. So basically, after logging into Facebook and opening up our access settings, after opening up your settings, you can navigate to your payments tab. So by navigating to the payments tab, there you can go ahead and manage your account settings, and in the payment settings you can go into account settings and then you can find PayPal. So in the payments tab, you're going to be able to find PayPal just the way you connected it. So once you find your PayPal section, you can just click the X button to remove it from PayPal. So after you have removed your PayPal from your Facebook account, it's no longer going to be connected, and basically that's it. If you want to remove it directly from the PayPal website, what you can do is go ahead and open up your settings tab. So by opening up your settings menu in the upper right corner, clicking on settings is going to open up this new menu of your settings where you can take a look at your account settings, your security options, and data and privacy. What you want to open up is data and privacy. So once you have opened up data and privacy, now we can take a look at the permissions we have given to other websites. You can see right here on the manage your privacy settings, we have the option to take a look at our permissions we have given. So what you want to do is open up this menu. From there you can go and select Facebook if you have connected to Facebook, guys, and then you can just unlink your PayPal from your Facebook, and now your Facebook page is no longer going to be using PayPal, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.